Selamat datang di channel teman viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan everybody. Yuk kita kembali lagi mengamati dan mereaction video yang akan kita tonton kali ini, yaitu Putri Ariani, The Voice Beautiful Song dari Indonesia. Ini talent terbaik dari Indonesia guys, yang mampu membuat nama Indonesia saat ini melambung tinggi. Seluruh dunia tahu bahwa wow, di Indonesia ada vokalis cantik. Wow, di Indonesia ada vokalis dengan suara emas. Wow, di Indonesia ada penyanyi dengan penghayatan yang sangat-sangat luar biasa guys. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita, di awal link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita maraton videonya, let's go guys. Wow, sekali guys.
I know the piano part. There was not even a
Ini
piano
lagu sulit
chord
sekali
in there that she
di
missed.
cover.
Halo Lur, selamat datang kembali di channel Rafiko. Terima kasih telah mengklik video ini. Admin doakan semoga semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat.
Amin.
Amin.
Bang.
Kali
Jangan
ini
lupa juga guys,
kita
subscribe
akan
channel apa
menyaksikan
ini,
reaksi
kita
dari
dukung
dua orang
semuanya.
guru vokal saat memeriksa cover Putri Ariani Somebody to Love dari Queen. Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, mari kita mulai Lur.
Here's Putri, Somebody to Love, and here we go.
Ini lagu sangat-sangat sulit sekali guys, di cover asli. Tapi dengan ini sebelum umurnya 11 tahun nih.
This is adorable. Oh my goodness, she is so sweet. And again,
Wow.
a young person, and it's just so beautiful to see such amazing talent at such a young age. I don't know how old she is, but she looks very young in this video.
That was freaking cool. Oh my god, the piano part on that is so hard. It's so hard.
Sebenarnya kagum
I
ketika
played it before.
melihat
It's really
bermain piano
fun,
guys.
but it is hard.
Oh, if you guys know how old she was here, then definitely let me know down in the comment section. But wow, just breathtaking once again. Like,
Nggak bisa berkata-kata
wow.
dia.
I spent my years believing you, but I just can't get no relief without somebody. Oh, somebody. Can anybody find me somebody to love?
That
Oh.
note right there.
Keren guys.
That note right there was such a moment. I hope you paid attention to that note. Oh my goodness me. Actually, in fact, let's take it back.
And to play and sing at the same time, even harder. I've said that already, I know. But wow, she nailed all the pitches. I mean, and Queen did that as a, like, you know, 4-part harmony. She did that solo. I mean,
Dengan nada tinggi, emosionalnya terus selalu apa ya, selalu
I tried, and I tried.
wow.
Everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. I got no common sense. Got nobody left to believe.
Wow.
I'm gonna stand
Ini
by the
luar
fact that my three
biasa
favorite instruments,
emosionalnya loh guys.
piano/keyboard,
Wow.
saxophone, electric guitar, because she is doing her thing.
that was amazing. She nailed all the pitches. She has a really God-given gift, like one of the judges said on Got Talent. She
Yes.
really does. She has this beautiful gift, and she's just sharing it with the world, and I love her for that. But wow, she nailed all the chords. She got, I mean, there wasn't even a piano chord in there that she missed. I mean, I know the piano part. There was not even a piano chord in there that she missed.
Pour it down, they say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. I got all common sense, got nobody left to believe.
And like to sing with that, I mean, that is so incredibly hard. She got the phrasing perfect. She got, the timing was incredible. The pitches were incredible, everything. I mean, she's just so good. She left me almost speechless again.
With this, between the vocals and the instrument playing, I am in awe. Literally, it's making me question what the hell I was doing when I was a kid. Hanging out outside corner shops, you know, riding my bike. Like, what was I doing? So much I could have been doing.
Oh, somebody, can anybody find me? Somebody love.
Serius, saya juga bisa guys.
I ain't got no return. I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay. I'm alright.
It's so refreshing to see, you know, such young talent.
And I mean, I don't know. I feel like I say the same things a lot when I watch her, but it's because she's so good. I mean, honestly, she is. She's blown me away, and that's why I keep going back to her page, you know? I mean, and I've been doing other reacts as well, but I try to go back to her page too because she's wonderful. And just wow, you guys. I mean, it's unbelievable. It's really unbelievable, the talent that she has, the talent that Annie Jones has, the talent that all these people have.
Somebody to love, find me. Somebody to love, find me. Somebody to love, find me. Somebody to love. Ooh, find me, find me.
So please go subscribe to their pages. Support these artists. They're amazing. And Putri is she's just got this wonderful gift, and I love that she's, you know, sharing it with everybody. And she does it like it's so easy. Like, obviously she was born with it.
Softness, the variety, the arrangements, the vocals, my word. That was sensational.
Somebody to love.
Dua guru vokal wanita yang
Oke
menyaksikan
guys, dan kita akan deskripsikan sendiri, dan terima kasih buat abangnya yang sudah membuatkan video kompilasi yang sangat-sangat keren sekali. Jangan lupa subscribe juga channel abang ini. Kita semua harus dukung dan kita support semuanya. Nah, apa yang kita lihat tadi, memang ini lagu nggak gampang juga di cover guys, karena sulit sekali, karena lagu ini sangat-sangat fenomenal juga. Apalagi tadi nadanya naik turun dengan tempo secepat itu, dan itu nggak gampang guys. Tapi waktu tadi Putri Ariani ini seperti bernyanyi, seperti emosionalnya dapat sekali. Karena apa? Karena dia seperti lagu ini keras, dan suara-suara serak tadi yang sangat-sangat bagus sekali. Itu juga gak gampang guys dipelajari. Wow, amazing buat Putri Ariani. Dan ini video cover yang di cover. Oke, dan video cover ini itu sudah lama, waktu Putri Ariani berumur belasan tahun. Dengan umur segitu tapi dia sudah bisa menyanyikan lagu sesulit itu guys. Wow, ini amazing, keren sekali. Gak ada kata lain selain wow, dan wow guys. Ya, apa tanggapan kalian? Kita juga berdiskusi di kolom komentar. Oke, dan cukup sekian video kali ini. Dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys.